Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. In this video I'm going to do a quick look at the new Paint app that's rolling out for Windows Insiders and rolling out to normal machines fairly soon. There's a couple of new features I wanted to show you on here which are really good additions to the Paint app, which has got a lot more features recently. One of them is background removal and the other one is support for transparencies and layers. So let's have a look and see what I mean. So this is the updated version of the Photos app. I'm going to open a picture that I can remove some backgrounds on. Okay, so let's open a photo. I can go to the gallery feature, which is new for Windows 23H2, so the Windows 11 2023 update. It's not quite released yet, but it's for Windows Insiders. So I'm going to pick a picture. So there's a picture, and I can go to the image menu and do remove background. So there you go, let's remove the background. I'm not sure about the picture, but it's done the job. What I can do is add a layer now, by turning on this layer menu, and I can import to this layer. Let's choose another picture. Okay, so if I reorder the layers now, there you go. So it's done the job. I've managed to get the transparency on there, and I've reordered the layers and stacked those layers, those canvas changes. Incidentally, you can also import transparent PNGs with transparencies now as well, and so I could save that layer. I could save that. Let's hide that. I could save this as an image, a transparent PNG, and obviously that would be clear, that background's been removed, so that would work like that. And I can show you that it doesn't just work with faces or anything like that. So here is a picture of a watch, and I can do the same thing. I can do remove background. There you go. See, it's removed that background, so I can reintroduce my layer. So there you go. There's a quick look at the new features in Paint. It's not a Photoshop rival or anything like that, but it's pretty handy if you may want to create a thumbnail for your YouTube video or something like that, just to quickly be able to remove layers or remove backgrounds and swap the layers around like that. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.